Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to create and publish a package to NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager, and it's the public registry for JavaScript packages and libraries. So the first thing we're going to do is create a directory, and we're going to call it Chris test NPM package. We're going to move into that library, and we're going to say npm init-y. This is just going to create a package.json file with all the defaults. We're going to open this in Sublime with this command. And now we have our package.json file. So we can remove this script because we don't need it. And our main is index.js. So we're going to create a file called index.js. And now inside this file, we can export our functions that we want to use. So we can say module.exports equals, and here we're going to export a function called add, which takes two numbers, num1 and num2, and it's just going to return num1 plus num2. So a really simple function. And now we can publish this package, so we'll be able to use it in other Node projects. So this is a really simple example, but we're just going to show you how to do this. So inside our package.json, we can see we give it a name, and this is the name of our npm package. So to publish this, the first thing we have to do is log in to npm. If you don't have an npm account already, you can use the command npm add user. And then you'll just run through a process to create a user there. But I already have an account, so I'm going to say npm login. I'm just going to log in to my account. As you can see, we're now logged in. So now what we need to do is use the command npm publish. And this will publish our npm module. Cool, so we can see this is the name, and it's version 1.0.0, and this version is also coming from the package.json file. So if we head over to npm now, and we search for this package, we can see that it's already here, and it was published a few seconds ago. And we can see there's no readme. So if we wanted to add a readme, we could say touch readme.md, and then we could say this is the readme. And if we want to publish this again, we want to bump the version, so we can say it's 1.0.1, and then we can say npm publish again. And this is just going to update the npm module. So we can see now that 1.0.1 was published. And if we go back here and we refresh, we can see that now we have the readme and it's version 1.0.1. We can also do other stuff in the readme, like adding the GitHub repo, so it comes up here, and other cool stuff like that. So now that we have this npm module and it's published, we want to use it in another project. So we're going to go back to the desktop, we're going to make a directory called test using, and we're going to move into this directory, and again we're going to say npm init-y, and we're going to open this in Sublime as well. So we can see we have our package.json file, and now we want to install the module that we just published, and we can see now in our package.json file we have this dependency, and we also have a node modules folder where this dependency is stored. So now we just want to make an index.js file, and inside this file we're going to require our module by saying const test equals require, and just the name of our module. And then we can use the functionality provided by this module. So we can say, first of all, we could say console.log test. And this is just going to show us what this module is exporting. So we can say node index.js. And we can see we have one function exported called add. So we can use this now. So we could say console.log test.add. And we can provide it with 3 numbers, 3 and 4. And if we run this again, we can see the first of all we print this out, and then we print out the number 7. So this is working as expected. So this is a really simple example of creating and publishing your own NPM module. But obviously you could create an NPM module that provides other utilities that are useful to people. And then you can use this across multiple projects. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.